So today I went ahead and installed my third brake light on my car, as you can see. First thing first, shout out to President clothing brand, Aussie, hooking it up with the hat, and yeah. So let's go into it. This brake light, it's really easy to install. It's just so confusing. Once I get everything down, it was good. So, and yeah, my voice like this because I was yelling around last night. Brake! As you can see the strobe. It's blinking. Everything's working good. If you guys want to know how to install it, just comment down below. Subscribe to the channel, and hope to see you soon.